our channel, The Foster Friends, with me Ritisha and Daksh. How are you all? I have missed you a lot, and it has been so long since I made YouTube videos for you all, and especially kids. Hope you study well for your exam and did well in your exam. So today we are going to do simple science experiments that you can try at home too. And do you know, science is just like magic? Yes. So the first experiment is that the particles of salt take space in water. So the materials required are 3 glasses filled with water. The first one is fresh water. The second one, in the fresh water we added little salt, and then the third one we added lot of salt. So, and we need 3 lemons. So in the first one we are going to put a lemon. So it sinks down because there is no salt that took space in the water. So the lemon can easily sink down, right? Yeah. In the second one, the lemon floats in the water, halfway in the water, because we added a little salt in it. So the salt took little place in the water and the lemon floats. In the third one, the lemon floats completely high up because we add a lot of salt. So the salt took all the place in the water and there's no place for the lemon. So this was our first experiment. So let's move on to the next experiment. So the second experiment is that I'm trying to show that the molecules of the water move fast according to the water's temperature. So the materials required are 3 glasses. The first one has hot water, the second one has room temperature water, and the third one has icy cold water and food color. So in the first one, we add 1 drop of food color. So we'll see how fast that the food colors molecule mix up with the water's molecule. So let's see. It is mixing up fast. In the second one, it will take some time to mix. See the difference? In the third one, 2 drops. In the third one, it's making designs. So, since this water is hot, the molecules mix up fast. In this one, it's room temperature, so it takes a bit time. In this one, it makes beautiful patterns. And since it's icy cold water, it will take a bit of time. So let's move on to the third experiment. So this is our last and final experiment. So this experiment is about that if we add baking soda to vinegar, it reacts with the baking soda and forms carbon dioxide, and it will inflate this balloon. So what am I going to do is that I attach this balloon to the bottle filled with vinegar, and the balloon is filled with baking soda. So I'll drop the baking soda in the vinegar, then it will react with the baking soda and inflates this balloon. Daksh, can you hold the bottle? And attach the balloon to the bottle. Now I'm going to drop the baking soda. Okay, it's inflating. It is inflating. Okay, there you go. It's inflating. Can you see that, everyone? The balloon had inflated because the vinegar reacted with the baking soda and inflated the balloon. So this is the end of the video. Hope you like this video and like and share and subscribe to this video. Bye bye and see you in the next video.